So let's begin with famous line from recent FOMC speech. What Powell said, don't think any reason to think that we are looking at a replay of 70s. On inflation chart, these big 70s inflation cycle. But Fed officially said this is not replay March 2025 FOMC meeting, but same Fed in May 2024 FOMC meeting last year, months before election. Same Fed said he see neither stag or inflation. So this is not first time Fed blindly ignoring or saying clear no that this is not stagflation. Because Fed did not use the word stagflation, but indirectly he was forecasting a stagflation. Or book definition, low growth, that means GDP, high inflation, that means PCE, which came up last week. So clearly they were forecasting stagflation. If we start from this bottom, so there were multiple wave, 4-wave inflation cycle. Each time inflation cycle making higher high with higher low, a clear uptrend until final peak after end of 70s and total collapse. So when Powell say not replay of 70s, at the same time he say there will be no hard recession like Paul Volcker timing. If you see this August 23 post from Lawrence Summer, because that's what before election, before Fed forecasted cuts in December 2023 FOMC meeting, because we did not have data at that time. But if you remember that chart, then visually current inflation wave cycle and 70s both were copy paste, almost same to same. And that information, that recent uptick in inflation, or you can say after December 2023, when they officially start forecasting rate cut, when inflation make turn to upside. And now if you compare side by side, the first recent inflation wave, breakout of recent range high, then a small low and up again. So everyone think we are here, up after making low, small downward correction, then up again. But if you compare this thing and recent inflation wave cycle side by side, because that was first stagflation and this is your second stagflation cycle, but in between there is so many recession example, but stagflation only one. What changed after election? Even if you compare September 2024 FOMC meeting, when rate cut began with big size 50, and latest March 2025 FOMC meeting, when they paused interest rate, and in number, that means they dot plot, they forecasting stagflation. But now market pricing again this second inflation wave cycle, and double digit inflation is already priced in, because gold did not break out $3,000, but it is flying over $3,000 one by one. Everyone is capitulating. Now big banks like Goldman, now they are forecasting 4,500 gold price. That's mean because of Biden premature rate cut that was started after the September 2023 FOMC meeting, higher for longer narrative. Immediately when October month start, then real pivot started, and because of that gold goes from less than $2,000 to $3,000. But now banks are saying that was not enough. Gold will go up more than $1,000 from here. Or indirectly you can see Goldman Sachs Bank is saying second inflation wave will come. Next time inflation will go up more than 9%. That means double digit inflation more than 10%. To justify upcoming inflation wave, you must have policy. Because after election, Fed stop rate cut, monetary policy stimulus gone. Last 6 months, your fourth quarter last year, first quarter this year, there was no monetary policy stimulus. Finally, stock market crashed and still falling because there is no monetary policy support. Second, your debt, that means your fiscal policy support. There was direct fiscal policy from Biden, which they call CHIP Act. Because immediately after election, not just monetary policy, fiscal policy with their monetary policy, both stopped and both are going in opposite direction. So next CPI PPI number must show clear uptick and new range high. If that does not happen, then this is not second inflation wave. Fed Bostic, current FOMC member, he directly said not jumping to stagflation yet. So like Goldman Sachs Bank say 4,500 gold price. If they say price will sustain over $3,000, practically it is possible. But when you say gold goes up more than $1,000 from here in next 12 months, that means clearly you are saying there will be second inflation wave. That means double digit inflation, 10% in next 12 months. Even if Trump take risk again, same like Biden, same like Trump first term, they will take risk in last 2 years of election. Like Trump did in 2018, like Biden did in 2022, same like that. 4-year election cycle. If there is a second inflation wave, there must be policy, but policy must come in 2 years before election. That means fourth quarter 2026. But first year after election, high chance of recession. And viewer who are asking how to learn about stagflation, the theory and all the data, then I have said book before election, and these two books I think they are best. When new books come with new data, especially under Biden term, what they did from November 2022 FOMC meeting, last big size hike, to September 2024 FOMC, first big size cut. We don't have any book in market which give us data. But before Biden, until last day of Trump, these two books have all information. Best thing, the left book have chart.